This is ASUS ROG Phone 6D Ultimate, and today I will show how you can set up parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then find and enter the Passwords and Accounts category. From here, make sure to remove any Google accounts you have over here. Then get back to the main settings menu, enter Google category, tap at the parental controls, get started, child or teenager, next. Now you gotta sign into your child's Google account, so let me quickly do that. Then hit the I agree button. Onwards, tap at the accept. Select the child's account from the list over here. Then log into another Google account, this time parental one, or to put it in other words, the Google account you're going to use to supervise your child's activity. Then you should be forwarded to the About Supervision page over here. You will need to input the child's Google account password one more time. Then tap at the agree button. Onwards, click at the allow and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. After that, click next. At this page, you can manage your child apps, as well as at the following manage filters and settings. From here, if the device that is highlighted over here is the same phone or tablet you will use to supervise your child, you can tap at the Install Family Link button and the required app will be automatically downloaded and installed on your parental phone. Or you can simply skip this step, finish the setup, and manually download the Google Family Link app from the Play Store on your parental device. In my case, I'll just go with Install Family Link button. Here is my parental phone. Over here, we should start seeing the installation process. Already, so as you could have just seen, it actually, was started and finished. Now open the Google Family Link application. Make sure to sign into parental Google account over here. And inside the app, you have an access to a bunch of controls. For example, you can set up daily limits or downtime routine for your child's device. You can manage and control your child's entire app experience and app exposure in general, as well as install content and age restrictions for certain apps. Then you can configure your child's account settings, manage overall manage your child's devices, monitor their location, and see the highlights of their device usage experience. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.